Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching a series called as Plants in My Balcony, and in that I am sharing organic fertilizers right from my kitchen. So in today's episode, we are going to discuss about a very simple ingredient present in every home, that is milk. You can see I have taken half a glass of milk. You can take any milk. You can take a packet milk, Tetra Pak, loose milk, whatever milk is available to you. You can use any of the milk. मम्मी हमेशा कहती है कि milk is very good for bones because it has calcium, but milk is also not only very good for humans, but it is believed to be very beneficial even for plants growth because it provides calcium, beneficial proteins, vitamin B and many sugars which are good for plants, which improves their health and also the overall yield from the plants. You can use milk in any proportion you feel. Some people use 100% milk, but what I am using in organic fertilizer is a proportion of 1:5. That means 1 part of milk and 5 times water. This is what I am using. Now it is believed that milk has good sugars, but even the microbes that feed on the fertilizer component of milk are beneficial to the soil. Now we can use any kind of milk. We can use fresh milk. You can also use the expired milk which cannot be consumed by us. You can use that also. You can use powdered milk. You can use any form of milk in garden as long as it is diluted properly, because sometimes it is seen that if you pour 100% only milk without any dilution with water into the plants, they wilt and they dry. So if you dilute it properly, the dilution can be from 90% to 20%. That depends on how you want to do your dilutions. I am doing it in the ratio of 1:5. 1 times milk and 5 times the water. So I'm taking almost half a glass of milk, fresh milk, and I'm adding 2.5 glasses of water. So this is what I have got. I've got milk dilution in water, and now this milk basically has to be sprayed on plants in a sprayer bottle. I have to shift it to a sprayer bottle. You can see I have put 2 on my table, 1 small and 1 big. I am using the small one because I don't have a lot of plants to cater to, so I'm using the small one. Even I'm not using the big one because I have made neem pesticide into it, which I'm going to use for my plants where ants are there, and I'm going to upload also how to prepare the neem pesticide. But for today we are making milk fertilizer, and I'm going to put it into a small spray bottle so that can be sprayed well. So now I have poured this organic milk fertilizer into the spray bottle, and this milk fertilizer contains enzymes, and it also is believed to have fungicidal properties. What is fungicidal properties? That means it can be used against different fungi which invade our plants. जो fungi हमारी plants को खराब करती हैं, it can be used against them, and it also restrain the growth of molds and bacteria. Also inhibits the growth of molds and bacteria on plant. So it is excellent against molds, bacteria and fungi. So this is not only providing nutrients, but it is also acting as a pesticide. So now just let's spray this organic fertilizer that we have made on the pumpkin that I am growing. On all the pumpkin, it is growing quite well. It can also be used on a plant which is insulin plant. It is excellent for your money plants, pothos, very good for money plants. It gives a very good foliage. It is an excellent source for money plant as a fertilizer. So I'm using on pumpkin. I've used on insulin plant. And I also would like to show you the small peppers which are sprouting. And I'm also using a little bit on this pepper because this organic milk fertilizer is very good for pumpkins, for money plants, for tomatoes and for peppers. Thank you for watching. If you like it, do share, subscribe and pour in your suggestions. Thank you so much for watching.